Hey guys, today we thought we'd try something new for the family. To start with, we thought we'd implement hikes every week on a Sunday, weather permitting, to see how things go, to explore more of Croatia. We're taking both the kids. We've got nearly a 6-year-old and a 1-year-old. We're gonna see how things go with that. That you get when you park up. It's quite really bumpy road over here. So many potholes, so you just got to be careful when you're driving here. Depends how far you drive, but we like to drive to this passage here, which is this passage up here which takes you on the walk. But yeah, as you can see, you get some beautiful view of Sibenik here, and during the night the view is just amazing. Got the little one all hiked out. We went to Decathlon, picked out some gear.
Show your gear.
Wow, look at that, hey?
Look, show like this,
Yeah.
Now
Audrey, do you want to show one of your little gadgets as well? What's that hanging on your backpack?
What is that?
Magnifying glass.
A magnifying glass, yeah. Where's she going, a little trouble? And we've got little one's first hiking session. Bebsy, do you want to say hi to the camera?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Are you excited for our little hike? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm excited too. So here we go. The tourism of Canal Sveti Ante in Sibenik. Now, this is the walk here. We are here. Does it say exactly how far it is? So you come up to all across the pier, as you can see, and have a nice scenic view of the sea. There's also some interesting things like from World War II. There's like something called Hitler's Eyes, and there's a cave over here, and there's a triangular fortress here, which is very nice as well, which we'll see how far we get. So this is the baby carrier, which is nice and pink, which I'll be carrying the little one in. She's probably not looking forward to going in it, that's for sure. Yeah, so as you can see, the little one didn't like the bag so much. So I'm going to try and tire her out for a little bit of walking. But this is the trail to start with. So you can see it's quite nice. You've got lovely trees around you.
See, Babs, this is not so bad, isn't it? What are you saying, Daddy?
I think, yeah, all good.
Yeah, what? Ew.
I don't know.
Say hi.
Hi.
Over here, there seems to be there's an old military zone here that you're not allowed to film, apparently.
Oh, sure.
But yeah. Vojna zona. Yeah, so there was some military camps around here.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, what is that? Some spiky green thing, eh? Yeah. Shook.
Let's call this spiky blower.
Blower, okay. Let's go. Spiky window.
I've always been envious of this house here. Imagine the views from here. Amazing. So here we can see Vidikovac viewpoint, 400 meters. Spilja Sveti Ante, so the cave of St. Anthony, 800 meters. And the St. Nicholas Fortress is 3.5 kilometers away. So Christiana, you're used to hiking, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Tell us about where you usually hike.
Back in the day in Latvia, obviously, through the woods. Near Gauja mostly. Yeah, near Gauja mostly, the river. One of the longest rivers in Latvia.
And that was your morning walks most
Yeah.
days, wasn't it?
Exactly, every day after dropping Audrey in nursery, I went for a walk for an hour, sometimes even 3. Depends how rushed I was to my work. But yeah, and now let's enjoy the scenario. Show people the scenario.
What trail was there?
We will go there, baby.
Look
Yeah,
at that
oh,
view,
nice.
eh? The house has got it all.
In this place there's a lot of history over there. There was Hitler caves. Hitler was, back in the day, one powerful man. Let's go see. Let's go check.
Here's one vantage point where you can have a snack, picnic, and to enjoy the view. Just check it out. Whoopa! But I know we can stop it somewhere better, so that's what we're gonna do.
So inspirational, motivational coaching from all of them.
Wait, let me first think of something I'll do.
Just close your eyes and think of it.
So here we are, we're heading towards the top where one of the main vantage points is. Just check out that incredible view. I mean, where can you get this? Where can you get a hike so empty and so beautiful? The city view over here. This is where we're gonna have a break, I think. Right at the top. Highest point.
Oh, beautiful.
Thinking to eat, Daddy.
Yeah, we
We can
can.
have a snack here.
I could have a
like
little
that
snacky
view.
snack here.
What?
We can have a little snacky snack here.
Can we do it right here?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. That's my favorite.
So what's mummy packed?
Oh,
Sandwiches, some wraps, fruit and veg.
Did you pack them?
no, there's no those kind of things.
It doesn't matter.
Time for
There's
lunch.
bananas, there's sandwiches, and you have some snacks as well. Here. So we don't lost it. Yeah? And take that other scarf as well, you don't need two now.
Kind of hot up here.
Yeah, because we walk now. I told you, you will start to move and it will get really hot. You don't want to move it.
We've done enough today for the first hike. For the kids, I think we've done relatively well. Too windy now, so, and yeah, little Bebs has got a nice little surprise parcel in her nappy for us. So it's best we return back and get some coffee. All right then, guys. Well, thank you for watching the YouTube video, and we'll catch you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.